Vital signs. Vital signs are measurement of body's most basic function. There are 4 vital signs that we routinely monitored, including body temperature, pulse, respiration rate, and blood pressure. Now, why are vitals important? They are useful in detecting and monitoring the medical problems, and they are measured in medical settings and at home as well. Let us discuss it one by one. First of all, temperature. The normal body temperature of a person varies depending on gender, recent activity, food, fluid consumption, and other activities. And there is a range of normal body temperature. Here is a table of temperature measured from different locations. We could measure a person's body temperature orally, and it is taken from mouth with a classic glass thermometer. And we could also measure it rectally, and it is about 0.5 to 0.7 degrees higher than taken by mouth. Then temperature measured in axilla is 0.3 to 0.4 degrees lower than taken by mouth. We could also measure temperature by ear having a special thermometer, and by skin it is a quick way of measurement. Coming towards our next vital, that is blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood against the artery walls during relaxation and contraction of the heart each time the heart beats. Then it could be elevated, it could be normal, or it could be stage 1 or stage 2 hypertension, and there is a range for detecting so. Before measuring the blood pressure, the American Heart Association recommends some guidelines. Number 1, don't smoke or drink coffee for 30 minutes before taking blood pressure. Go to the bathroom before test and relax for 5 minutes before taking the measurement. Then you have to sit relaxed with your back supported. And when systole is higher than 180 and diastole is higher than 110, go for emergency treatment. Next important vital is pulse rate. Pulse rate is a measure of heartbeat per minute. In measuring pulse, we go for pulse rhythm and strength of the pulse. Normal pulse is a rate of 60 to 100 beats per minute. Lower than this is bradycardia and higher than this is tachycardia. It may fluctuate in certain conditions. Some pulse points that are frequently asked in your Viva Osce exam. Now, how to calculate pulse? Count your pulse for 60 seconds or 15 seconds and multiply by 4 to calculate beats per minute. Next vital sign is respiratory rate. Number of breaths taken by a person per minute is respiratory rate. Usually the rate is measured when the patient is at rest and by counting how many times the chest rises. Respiration rate may increase with fever, illness and other medical condition. Normal respiration rate is 16 to 20 breaths per minute.